Hello guys, how are you? I am going to teach you grammatical English. First of all, you should learn properly in English and how to become fluent in English and how to improve English. So, I'm going to teach you some grammatical and preposition. Okay, there are three types of tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. And present tense are also divided into four parts: present simple, present continue, present perfect, present perfect continuous. And similarly, past tense also categorized into four parts: one, past simple, past progressive or perfect, past continue, and past perfect continue. And future tense also presents future simple, future continue, future perfect and future perfect continue. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଉଦାହରଣ ଦଉଛି ଯେ ପ୍ରଥମତରେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ସିମ୍ପଲର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଉଦାହରଣ ଟୁ ବର୍ବରେ ଆଇ ସବଜେକ୍ଟରେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। ଆଇ ଡୁ ମୁଁ କରେ, ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଡୁଇଂ ମୁଁ କରୁଅଛି, I have done ମୁଁ କରିଅଛି, I have been doing ମୁଁ କରି ଆସୁଅଛି। ସେମିତି past tense ରେ I did ମୁଁ କଲି, I was doing ମୁଁ କରୁଥିଲି, I had done ମୁଁ କରିଥିଲି, I have been doing ମୁଁ କରି ଆସୁଥିଲି। ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ଟେନ୍ସରେ ବା ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁଟା will ଲାଗିବ କିମ୍ବା shall ଲାଗିବ ସେଇଟା ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I will do ମୁଁ କରିବି, I will be doing ମୁଁ କରୁଥିବି, I will have done ମୁଁ କରିଥିବି, I will have been doing ମୁଁ କରି ଆସୁଥିବି। ଏପରି କେତେକ ଜିନିଷ some phrasal verb you have to learn in English and you have to memorize in your mind and keep it in your mind, because without learning any English you should not speak fluent in English, because I have been used since 5 years this grammaticals, then I improved myself, otherwise I couldn't. And preposition also will, shall, and phrasal verb, would, could, all these things are you have to know, and you have to apply, and place to place, and then before